The partially chewed croissant moves down the esophagus through smooth 3D peristaltic waves, guiding the buttery mixture. In the stomach, strong acids and digestive enzymes melt the croissant into a creamy, semi-liquid mixture. A detailed 3D cross-section of the small intestine shows glucose, fatty acids, and B vitamins from the croissant being absorbed. Remaining fiber and pastry residues enter the large intestine, where beneficial bacteria ferment tiny leftover. Signals travel along the gut-brain axis, carrying messages activated by fats and sugars. These signals influence
Glucose and fatty acid-derived energy reach the brain, and supporting cognitive performance. Warm